Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you just a very quick tutorial on some tips that can help you with quick dimensioning or easy dimensioning whilst you are in the SolidWorks 3D sketch workspace. So let's quickly get to it. We hit sketch, let's select the front plane, let's draw some 3 or 4 or 5 lines. Start from here, click here, we go, and we end here. So we have this nice like this, and sometimes maybe assuming you are given some dimensions and then you have to subtract or multiply or divide, there may not be a need to use a calculator. You can do everything here in SolidWorks. So let's say we give this a dimension of, let's say 5.75, sorry, 5.75. Then for here you want half of the 5.75, you can do 5.75, and then you use your slash key on your keyboard, /2, and gives you this. You can also do, let's say 5.75/5 down to gives you can see that. So that is for the division. Let's try and do a multiplication one. Okay, so we can do 2.455 times 2, voila. Then we can come here and we can also do addition, 2.455 plus 1.755 as 1.8, enter, and it gives us the total. And we can do also subtraction, 6, let me do a simple one here, 6 minus 1.5, sorry, 1.5 minus 1.5, okay, sorry, so let me try that again, 6.5, and there we have it. Okay, so as you can see, by using the slash, by using the plus, by using the minus sign on the keyboard, and by using the asterisk on the keyboard, you can do all these things and you can make your dimensioning easier. You may not need a calculator to do this. All you need to know are the keys that I mentioned, and just remember them. Plus is for addition, like as normal as usual. Asterisk is for multiplication, minus for subtraction, and then the slash for division. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video was super helpful, and then I will see you next time. Subscribe, like, and then you got me. All right, see ya.